Car Story research indicates this vehicle as loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, roof rack, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats, cloth seats. Come take a test drive today.